Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change App Store region to United States. If you're using any iPhone and you want to change your App Store region to United States, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open up your settings first, and here you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. So open General here, and you have to check your VPN connection. If you're connected, try to disconnect that. And after doing that, you just have to open your App Store, and here tap on your profile in the top right corner, then tap on your account, and from here you must have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. And after that, you just have to select country or region option from here. Simply select that, and now you just have to look for United States here, so just scroll down until you find that. Once you find the United States, you just have to select that, then tap on continue, then agree with the terms and conditions. And here you just have to add your payment method if you have your credit or debit card or your PayPal account. So you can simply add it here, or if you don't have anyone, so just select the none option here. So here, once you have selected your payment method, you just have to add your billing address here. Here you have to enter your street, then city, then state. So very first, you just have to select your state from here. So first select your state from here, and then you just have to enter your street here. And then you have to enter your city here. And once you have entered, you just have to select this zip option. So here you have to enter your zip code, and then you have to enter your phone number here. So once you have entered your name, or sorry, phone number, you have to enter your name here. And once you have entered all of these, you just have to select the done option in the top right corner, and then your region or country will be successfully changed in your Apple ID in App Store. So in this way, you can easily change your country or region in App Store to United States. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.